Hello and welcome to Python tutorial number 75. Having seen how to edit a data frame and extract data from it, today we will learn two more fundamental techniques contained in the Pandas library. The first allows us to extract pieces of data based on a set of conditions. For example, we could write df2 equals df of age, and that should be, for example, greater than 10. And another condition which could be df, for example, fuel consumption, and that would have to be greater than 30. And then finally, print df2. And if we run the code, we can see that we have successfully extracted a subset of our data frame for which the age is greater than 10 and the fuel consumption is greater than 30. We can, of course, also employ alternative conditions by using the OR command. In this case, we'd write the same as before, except that we would have an OR. So in this case, we've selected all the rows for which either the age is greater than 10 or the fuel consumption is greater than 30. As I'm sure you remember from our composite if-else statements, the OR operator stipulates that at least one condition must be met in order to be selected, but there may also be some rows of our data frame in which both conditions are met, such as in the first row of our example. In this case, the fuel consumption is greater than 30 and the age is also greater than 10. Now then, having seen how to extract data using composite conditions, let's look at our last topic for today, namely saving a data frame to a CSV or Excel file. This can be done quite easily, and taking our newly extracted data frame as an example, we can now write df2.to_CSV and call it, for example, new df.csv. Alternatively, we could also write df2.to_Excel, and that would be new df.excelSX. These commands will allow us to save our new data frame to a file called newdf in either CSV or Excel format respectively. With that, I will leave you to experiment some more with the Pandas library, and I look forward to seeing you again next week for a new video. Until then, don't forget to check out my previous Python tutorials and coding challenges, as well as like, share and subscribe to the channel. As always, I wish you all a pleasant week, and until next time, happy coding!